Hello everyone to this week's Market Kya Lagta Hai episode. So as expected, Nifty as well as Bank Nifty is bouncing from previous week's low, but at the same time so far we are not seeing some kind of a momentum which may tell us that yes, now it is a reversal and the market has started to after making a low, market has started to bounce back. So there is no conviction in this current bounce. In a way, Bank Nifty is acting as if it is in a sideways kind of a range, and comparatively Nifty is showing some better bounces at this point in time is what my expectation is. But having said this, we need to analyze Nifty as well as Bank Nifty for this particular week. Let us also understand the Dow Jones bounce that we were expecting on a Friday. How did that bounce actually delivered, and what was the follow-up candles after that during this particular week. Then we'll study individual Nifty and Bank Nifty charts, and also we'll take a look at the outperformance vis-a-vis Nifty or a Bank Nifty is a leading index for this particular week. So that understanding will tell you what to look for in coming week, what to expect in coming week, and then that will give us a much needed clarity about the view on the Indian indices. So let us start, guys. I have a Nifty as well as Bank Nifty chart in front of me. This is a daily chart, and as you can see, the bounce as of now is showing some kind of a signs of recovery, but as of now it cannot be decisively said that this bounce is kind of a reversal or the bearish trend is over. That confidence is not there yet, and let the price action emerge actually for next another week or so, and that action, the price action, will guide us about the future trend of the market. So before we jump on to individual chart of Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, let us quickly take a look at the Dow Jones industry. That is also giving us some idea, some understanding about the US market. So on Friday, as expected, there was a bounce, and then next consecutive 2 days we saw a new fall. Currently market is taking support at a 42,100 odd level, and it is in a way appears that it can bounce from here. Why I am looking at Dow Jones chart is basically it is a mother market. So if at all Dow Jones finds support at these levels and if it takes a bounce from here, then it may be very well possible that we might see a new high in case of Dow Jones Industrial Average. But at the same time, a similar kind of a move can be expected in Indian markets as well. So when we talk about a retracement rally, let us go to Nifty hourly chart. When we talk about a Nifty retracement rally, that rally has to be little ferocious, right? And currently that ferociousness is not seen so far, because typically that starts with gap up openings and that gap up sustains and then the price moves above the gap up. So that is so far is not happening. So whenever there is a gap up opening, then the gap is getting filled and then the upwardly or the bullish move is taking place. So this is one observation that I'm having right now. So now range and the movement in case of Nifty is going exactly as per our expectation. So Nifty opened around 22,000 odd level, and from that 22,000 odd level we saw a good steady bounce up till 22,600. Currently the weekly close is around 22,500. But at this point, at this level, we are expecting Nifty to keep on climbing, keep on giving this bounce, and very quickly I'm expecting Nifty to reach to somewhere around 22,700 or 800 odd level is what my expectation is. So Nifty should give that bullish move very quickly, and hopefully we should also be able to see some kind of a bullish action. So if I need to change this range, then in that case the range changes to, let's say, 22,800 looks good to me, or I'll change it to 23,000, and 22,400 is what lower level should be. It shouldn't ideally go below 22,400 is what my expectation is. So if at all there is a fall, then that fall should get restricted somewhere here is what my expectation is. And very quickly if we can move above this bullish scenario, then it will be helpful. So this is the bottom for the current downtrend. Expected target can be 23,000, and once we are above 23,000, then we can expect a next leg of bullish action. But maybe before that there can be some higher low or an action like that. Here what we are expecting is that the price should move higher. There can be a shallow bounce, something like this, and then the next leg of rally should take place. This is what the expectation is for the coming week. This is what my expectation is. Now here in this particular phase, we are seeing that Nifty in a way is showing some kind of a ferocious movement with respect to Bank Nifty, which is kind of a lagging index for last 2-3 days, and that has changed in this particular week, right? So that is also one thing that is there in my mind. Let us quickly go to Bank Nifty to analyze further. On a Bank Nifty front, the support is very well holding, but this bounce is not yet giving a trending kind of a move, right? So the trending move is expected. We are expecting a move somewhere around 50,300, right? 50,300, and the down move can be around 48,400. So this is where I don't expect Bank Nifty to give further downwardly move or further fall. We are expecting it to show some kind of urgency. It should start to move in an upwardly manner. Another rationale here is that for last 3-4 days Bank Nifty is doing nothing. So there has to be a day when it should start outperforming, and that outperformance should ideally guide Nifty and rest of the market towards the upwardly move, is what the expectation is. So very quickly we should see this 49,000 being breached, and a very strong upwardly movement should be seen in case of Bank Nifty, is what the expectation is. And exactly the same thing that can be seen here on the ratio chart as well. So on a ratio chart, if you take a look, last 3 days it is showing some kind of a underperformance by Bank Nifty, and in the same arena. So it's like Bank Nifty showing underperformance or Nifty is showing outperformance. One of the two things are correct here. So in this case here, I feel that currently Nifty is showing some kind of a outperformance and Bank Nifty is lackluster or a dull moving index. But typically whenever the action is limited to a very small or a narrow range, that is when there is a possibility of a breakout in either direction. So there has to be a breakout either in a bullish direction or in a bearish direction. The better probability is of a bullish breakout, and that is what we are expecting here. And if that happens, then very quickly we should be able to breach, let's say, 1,000 point move up till 49,500 at least, is what is on the cards, is what is expected. So if I need to calculate target here from this low to high, then in that case my first target will be 49,100 and the second target can be 49,500. Yeah, that's how we were looking at it. So second target is your 49,500. Right. So this is how I am looking at the targets. So let us see, let us hope for good in this particular week, and whatever underperformance currently Bank Nifty is showing, the Bank Nifty should come out of those woods and start performing in a greater way, is what the expectation is. Let us see how market obliges to this expectation, this analysis, and I'll see you on next Friday. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm signing off. Bye bye.